What I want to do with my future is I am planning to attend the University of Iowa. I'm planning to major in biology and pre-med. So these classes have prepared me for my college experience by giving me the confidence to try something new. I would have never even thought of becoming a CNA someday. Maybe going through the path of going into the medical school, but I probably would have never had hands-on experience until I got to medical school. I think the Sioux City Career Academy is preparing me for success because it's actually teaching me careers. I can become a farm tech, a CNA right after high school if I decide not to go to college. If I would have just gone with my homeschool, I wouldn't have had that opportunity. Thanks to the Career Academy, I have actually gotten to meet people from East and North, which I would have never had that opportunity at West High. So these are friends that I have had since sophomore year, and then I've made friends in junior year and now senior year. And these are friends that I will have even in college